Now, in this project, we're going to update the standard database update database table.
Share the screen.
Okay, in this project, we are going to update data into a database table. So this is what we are doing now. So we are updating the data from database table. So for this, what are we doing is we are considering a database table which is already existing in the system, which we already created in the previous project, and that happens to be this ZZEMP. So what we'll do is I'll just copy this into ZDXEMP. This is a table which we are just copying it. So this is the ZDXEMP is a database table which we want to update. So for this, we will be writing a program. We'll be starting a program. So ZDXEMP update. So create employee data update. And here we should take it as module pull program. Remember that, not an executable program, module pull program. So once we have done this, we have to create a database internal table and work area data IT underscore EMP type standard table of ST underscore this ZDXC underscore EMP W underscore EMP type ZDXC underscore EMP. So once it's been done, we just need to activate this program. This is an SC38 program. These are the only two things that we are doing here. Come out of this. Okay, I hope everyone is clear with till here. Now we need to go to SC51 transaction. In the SC51 transaction, we need to take the same program name is what we need to copy there. Same program name. Screen number is 100. Click on create. Employee data. So we have the flow logic. In the flow logic, we have to uncomment this module, uncomment this, and we'll go to layout. In the layout, we just need to click on this dictionary program fields, because this will show up the dictionary program fields. Click on that, click on get from program, and you have to select the field names here which you want to update there. Just say OK and place them here. So we have this as text 1. So what we want to display there is employee data, some employee number, text employee name, say text 3, email. So this is just for our display, and this one is like text 4, phone number. Then we'll click on this push button PB1, PB1, save. So PB1 is the name of the push button. Save is the display, what has to be displayed here. Here, this FCT code is the extremely important one. Whatever you write here, For that we have to write a logic in our program. So SYUCOM value becomes the save. Okay, SYUCOM value becomes save when we are clicking on that. So we just need to click on this PB2, refresh. We have REF, save, PB3, exit. FCT code also let exit. Back. And then we just need to activate. So this is done. So we have built that. Now we have to write the logic in the program. So for that we have to double click on this status 100, because that's process before output. Process before output. As of now in this project we are not writing any logic. Then back, save yes, and we'll double click on the user command. Say yes. That user command also needs to be created in the main program. So in this user command we need to write the logic. Means user is giving input. What is the input that you are going to give? You are going to click on the save button. If you click on the save button, whatever FCT code that you have written there, that for that we have to write the logic. So you say case SYUCOM, end case, when SAVE, insert into that database table name zdxe underscore emp, values wa underscore emp, when ref clear wa underscore emp, when exit leave program. So that's it. So once it's been done, so this is done. So once the program is done, we are good with the program. Now we can go ahead and create a transaction code for this. Okay. The transaction code we'll be writing in, this is the program name. So we just need to copy the program and we need to create a transaction code for this in SC93. So we'll go ahead into SC93 and maintain ZDXCE. So we shouldn't change that. It should be program and screen only. Once it's been done, we have to go ahead with this program name. The screen number is 100. We just need to save it, and once it's saved, it's done. So we need to go to ZDXE, enter. We'll get the screen. So we'll just go for 100,000. Employee name is Naveen. Email ID is naveen@gmail.com. 9999. Save. Now refresh. Exit. So all these are working fine. Let's go back to now the SC11 and check if the data has got updated. Number of entries just one because we entered only one. So this is Naveen at the Gmail and employee. Okay, so we just need to change the text, guys. Like I just didn't focus on the text because I just wanted to